Needing to sell a home without repairs, agents, or fees? Call Bluehouse. We're Better Business Bureau rated with an A rating. We have no fees, no commissions. And again, when you call us, step 1, tell us about the property. Step 2, you get a written cash offer in less than 24 hours. Step 3, you pick the closing gate. Again, no agents, no fees, no closing costs, no problem.
We do the heavy lifting so you can move forward with confidence.